Point 3, we get to investigate how to represent fractions as multiples of unit fractions. The reason we're doing this is because we want to understand the multiples of unit fractions, and we're extending our understanding of multiplying fractions. We're going to look at this problem. If Kate wants to give a snack consisting of 1/2 an orange to each of the 6 girls in her scout troop, how many oranges does she need? So I'm seeing that we're looking at the fraction 1/2, and I see that she's going to give 1/2 of an orange to 6 girls, and I'm thinking about how many oranges does she need. There are 2 ways to look at this. We could add out the number of oranges which Kate is giving to her scout mates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as we know, with addition of fractions, we add the numerator 6, and we do not add the denominator 1/2. She will be giving 6/2 of oranges to her scout troop. Another way to look at this, because we've added 1/2 6 times, we can multiply 1/2 times 6, come up with 6/2. We can look at 6/2 and convert it. You can see that 6 is the third multiple of 2. 6/2 equals 3. We can look at it with a number line and fraction circles as well. We can look and see that Kate starts with 0. We always start counting at 0, and she'll give 1/2 of an orange to her classmates 6 times, scoutmates 6 times, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6/2 or 3 wholes, as we came to find out. Or we could look at it with the fraction circles. Since we're working in halves, you can see that I have a whole that's been drawn in half. So we could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/2, which we can see equals 3 wholes. And lastly, let's look at some fractions as multiples, a part of what you'll be doing on page 235. You'll be starting and counting as multiples. So if you remember, we looked at multiples of, say, like 4, and it was skip counting. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. We'll do the same exercise with fractions now. So we'll start with the unit fraction 1/3. The second multiple of the unit fraction 1/3 is 2/3. The third multiple is 3/3. The fourth multiple is 4/3. The fifth multiple is 5/3. So when we look, and you may be asked, what's the fifth multiple of 1/3? You will say that 5/3 is the fifth multiple of 1/3. And you'll also be asked, what is 10/8 a multiple of? And when you're looking at unit fractions, remember unit fractions are when the numerator is 1. So the unit fraction of the multiple of 10/8 would be 1/8, and 10/8 is the 10th multiple of 1/8. Today you're going to be working on pages 234 and 235, representing fractions as multiples of unit fractions. 236 is the math boxes you'll be working on today. Good luck.